Let's look at the Irish verb to drive now. The Irish verb to drive is Tiomáin. Tiomáin. Tiomáin me I drove. That's the past tense. Tiomáin me I drove. Tiomáinm I am driving or I drive, present tense. Tiomáinm. And Tiomáinnig me I will drive. Tiomáinnig me, future tense. Tiomáin cuairmach, drive carefully or drive safely. Tiomáin cuairmach. Bhí sí ag tiomáint ró hapa. She was driving too fast. Bhí sí ag tiomáint ró hapa. Tá mé ag tiomáint ar an taobh clé. I drive on the left side. Tá mé ag tiomáint ar an taobh clé. Tiomáin mé thart ar imeall an bhaile. I drove around the outskirts of the town. Tiomáin mé thart ar imeall an bhaile. The Irish for driving lesson is ceacht tiomána. Ceacht tiomána. And the driving instructor is teagascóir tiomána. Teagascóir tiomána, a driving instructor. A driving test is scrúdú tiomána. Scrúdú tiomána, driving test. And a driving license is ceadúnas tiomána. Ceadúnas tiomána, a driving license. This is probably as good a time as any to let you know about my other YouTube channel. And that is simply called Dane Ty, my name. And on that channel, I provide videos on how you would learn to drive from the beginning and videos in preparation for the driving test. So if you're learning to drive or preparing for the test, or even if you're planning a driving holiday to Ireland, it might be worth checking out that channel. Is teagascóir tiomána me. I am a driving instructor. Is teagascóir tiomána me. Tá sí ag ghlacha ceachtaina tiomána. She is taking driving lessons. Tá sí ag ghlacha ceachtaina tiomána. D'éirigh leat sa scrúdú tiomána. Comhardachas. You passed your driving test. Congratulations. D'éirigh leat sa scrúdú tiomána. Comhardachas. Comhardachas means congratulations, but you could also say maithú, which means well done or good on you. Maithú, well done. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and as always, let me know in the comment section some of your favourite phrases to do with driving or cycling or doing anything on the roads. Thanks for watching. Agus slán tamil. Bye for now. Slán tamil. Bye for now.